Are you ready to take the exam?
Opo.
Okay. Are you excited?
Joke lang.
But anyway, class, tip lang, class, don't pressure yourself. Chill lang. Okay? At huwag mag-leave ng blank questions. You need to answer the question. Kahit hindi nyo alam, guess, baka sakaling tumama. Minsan, yung panghuhula natin ay tumatama. And for with honors dyan, over there, okay, again, every single point is very important. Oh, class, please open your camera again. Open your camera. McQueen, ano nangyari sa'yo? Epekto ba yan ng kaka-review mo?
It's so bright. I can't see.
Okay, so again, class, open your camera again ha. I will not give the link kapag hindi ka nagbukas ng camera. Okay? So, ayan. Okay? So, before we leave the call, any questions, clarifications, concerns, and announcement from the SCB?
None po, sir.
None. And then, okay, thank you from our class officers.
None po, sir.
Okay. And then class, golden rule, just in case na mawalan kayo ng internet or ng kuryente anytime during our exam, please provide a screenshot or picture as a proof na nawalan kayo ng internet at ilaw o kuryente. Okay, yun na yung kung yun ang ating reason, okay, wala nang pag-aalinlangan pa. Okay, Augustus, gising ka na ba? Bakit lamig na lamig ka? Sana all malamig, no? Ayan. So, before we start, so let's have our
Sir,
basic
Jay,
exercise. Yes.
Sir, I would just like to remind my
Okay.
fellow students to check Facebook post about election and campaign for SCB.
Okay, thank you so much, Jude. Again, Lasallians, please be responsible to read the announcement or the guidelines for the upcoming SCB election. So, starting on March 5, the SCB candidates will start to ano magagawin nyo? To do their campaign. Starting of campaign period. Okay? And then, yeah, please start to reflect and think who are the deserving students on that position, on particular positions in our SCB elections. Okay, so before we start class, since we have 11 minutes more, okay, para makatulong sa ating pag-iisip, so everybody stand up. Anyway, everyone stand up. Let's have our basic exercise. Ayan, matanggal ang ating stress sa kaka-review. Actually, class, mas mahirap mag-review kaysa mag-take ng exam. Kasi mas mahaba ang pagre-review natin. Yun. Ayan. Ito ginagawa ko to kapag hindi sa tingin ko hindi sapat yung pagre-review ko. Okay? So para matanggal yung mga stress natin, okay? So kamay sa bewang. Okay, let's start with from head pababa, okay? So head muna tayo. Okay? From down paano ba 'yon? Down up ganon. Okay, ready? Okay, so kamay sa bewang, okay? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. Ano yung tawag doon, class? From left to right. Okay, from left to right. So parang left, middle, right. Okay? Ititwist lang yung ating ulo. Hindi ko alam kung anong right term. Okay, ready? 1. Head muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, ulo hindi balakang. Ulo muna, di ba? From head to toe muna tayo. Yung basic exercise lang. Basic exercise. Yung tingin sa kaliwa. Tapos at the center, then right. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. O, shoulder tayo. Yung parang ibon. Shoulder. Ayan. Okay, hindi naman. Ibon, hindi manok. Diyos ko. Kung sa bagay, manok din yung, ibon din yung manok. Yung hawakan yung shoulder nyo, parang ganun kay Mervic. Okay, so rotate lang natin. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Next, sa bewang. I-rotate lang natin. Okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, sa kneel. Tuhod. Okay? Anong kneel? Knee. Knees. Ano ba? Ano nangyari sa akin? Okay, rotate lang natin. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, jogging. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, jumping jack. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so sit down. So I hope medyo nagising yung dugo ninyo. Okay, so like what I've said, okay, please follow the instructions. Okay, instructions kapag sinabing capital letters, pag sinabing 2 to 3 sentences, gawin. Okay, and then follow the PER natin, and you don't need to have your companions while answering your exam. Okay? Kapag may tanong, i-chat ang inyong subject teacher. Again, the first subject would be math, then Filipino, then Christian living. Okay, questions? None so far. Okay, so again, like what I've said, you need to leave the call and then 5 minutes. Again, kasi 5 minutes. 5 minutes before the time, you need to go back and then let's wait for the exact time and for you to answer and finish the first examination. Okay? So, during our short break, umihi na. Okay? Umihi na, uminom na. Kasi class, ito ha, hindi ko muna papayagan yung iihi. Siguro for the 45 minutes, pigilin muna yung ihi nyo. O kaya during our short break, umihi na, uminom na, kumain na, or kumain ng chocolate or whatever. So yun po. Okay? So yun, meron kayong time for you to prepare yourself. Kaya, yun na. Okay? So, leave the call now. Okay? Please, class, leave muna kayo kasi na talagang nahihirapan si Luis tsaka si Adam. So, hindi talaga sila nagli-leave ng call hanggat meron pang tao dito sa call. So, ang dapat na may iwan si Sir J lang, huling mag-end ng call si Luis at si Adam. Okay? So, you need to leave the call now and be back at exactly 8:05. Okay? Bye for